Hello! To connect your Redmi Note 14 with a TV using screencast, first of all you have to go into your settings. From there you have to go into more connectivity options, and right here is the cast option. And we simply have to enable this one, this cast option, and you will be notified. You will have to accept the terms and conditions, something like this, for the usage. And you'll also have to allow your phone to connect to nearby devices or something like this actually. And as you do this, as you allow these two options, you will have this screen right here, and it searches for nearby devices. And there are two things, actually one thing you need to do is to connect your mobile device, your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. So you simply have to be connected to the same home network which is connected your TV to, and it should appear right here. If you have some problems with the connection, you can press help, and right here you can see all the instructions to help you get this connection. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.